Okay, here are the new MTH Dash 840 CWs. And this team that I've just made up. Got them lashed up with some, I think they're ES-44's, for a total of 6 powered units. Okay, I don't know about reviews. I guess I'll leave that to you experts, and you know who you are, especially Ron, but and Dan. But I don't know. I'm not particularly dazzled with these. They're all right, but you know, to me, the sounds are very meek. They're very nice, however, to look at. The horns are nice, and I'll show you that in a second. They don't, I don't know, they don't stand out to me. Their size, ironically enough, seems almost Rail King-ish to me. Very small. In comparison, for example, with these BNSF ES models, which are quite a bit larger. I don't especially care for the sound set, as I said, but I do like the shutdown sequence. It's almost 40 seconds long. So, I mean, this is a broadside of the barn review, but if anyone's going to ask me my opinion, would I do it again? Nah. I'd probably pass. I'm not, like I said, I'm not dazzled. So, I don't know. Maybe if I load a different sound set in them, I'll like them better. I had to do that with these ES-44's. I got an AC6000 sound set in those. Because I didn't care for those sound sets at all. They're so soft. And I can't understand any cab chatter to much of an extent. So, I'm going to set these up for a little bit of a battle, and there's probably the crappiest review you'll see. Okay, hang on. Okay, quite a long shutdown sequence, as I said, but there it is. I don't know. I'll give them a B. That's my opinion. Thank you.